a message of life and death. So you better listen carefully. The Jamaican government has once again sold us all out, but this time it is our life they are playing with. They have signed contracts with foreign oil companies to start deep sea oil drilling off our coast, specifically the Pedro Bank area, just southwest of Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth. And guess what's underneath where they are going to be drilling? A tectonic time bomb. You see Pedro Bank? It sits right next to Enrique Plantain Garden Fault Zone. It's a major fault line that runs from Jamaica straight to Haiti. Yes, Enrique Plantain Garden Fault Zone. It's the same one that caused the 2010 earthquake in Haiti that unalived over 200,000 people. Now, Philly government has sold us out to foreign company and gave them the go-ahead to start drilling into it. Deep sea drilling is not just about poking a hole in a Jamaica. It shakes the seabed. It builds pressure. It causes subsea fractures. And when those fractures snap near a fault line, it triggers a massive earthquake. And with that earthquake, that massive earthquake, comes a tsunami. We're talking about places that's going to be underwater, wiped off the planet, covered in Jamaica, like Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Portmore, St. Catherine, Kingston, St. Thomas. Are you listening to me? You are on the coast. You will be the first set of people to drown. A tsunami from Pedro Bank could hit the coastline in less than 15 minutes. There will be no warning, no time to run, no time to save your children. Just water, death, gone. But that's not all, Jamaica. No, that's not all. You see, underwater, there are 2 underwater volcanoes south of Jamaica. Them call them Jenny and Lenny. You ever hear about them? You should have. If this drilling triggers deep seismic activity, Jenny and Lenny would erupt. You don't have any idea what that means, Phoebe?
So viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like up the video. Give the video 1 like. Thank you. That's free now. Just press 1 press. You see it? Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, put your thought and your comments on this one. Enough people catch them afraid already. Enough people believe, enough people disbelieve. But them say, all time people used to say, if you no go so, in here go so. Because in our last year, we used to them fine. And Mr. Valls quickly, what would I say now? Dismiss that. You see it? So no Isle of Fine at Jamaica. Now this lady come up with it. Make go and believe so they really find Isle of Jamaica. And in order to get the island, they go on, bomb up some place. And you hear how much place are going to get affected. Like Manchester. May I tell you Manchester. Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, and some more places. You see it? So almost as if the lady I say, well, like Jamaica, I go wipe out, bro. Allegedly. You see it? So, I don't know. Anyway, guys.
You got edges. How you gonna be in St. Andrew and have edges? And then my youth, how the hell you think you're gonna wear Clarks and learn, and then you want to be using the brush and brushing? So you see, what you're voting for is the people who will be the first to take away your rights, to take away your freedom of expression. Right? These are that is the reality. So one must think, and it's not gonna stop there. Yeah, it's not gonna stop there. But this time around, they say, you know, first it was the Rastas, ask Z Virgo, when Kensington Primary tell her she couldn't come to school because of lights and Junjo. Yes? And then it was the states of emergency. All of these things, my brothers and sisters, affect your constitutional rights. Yeah? Somebody said, pick me. You got edges? You got on a wig with the edges? You want to be picked? Lexi, vroom. Yeah, S90 scan from them. But anyway, whoever is saying I know better, yeah, I know better because I take, when people mess with my people, I take it to court. What do you mean know better? Who know better? Anyway, let's leave that alone. What these are the basic things in terms of representation, in terms of how people, the people that you put in place to think for you must think about you, must think of you, and must include you. So I'm not gonna sit here and somebody say ISAP. Lord, the day my father named me Isaac, him know they was gonna do me this, you know. Got a conk. Anyway. So listen, it is important that you sit for a second and just as a voter, whether you voted or you didn't, if you're not on the voting list, look now and process and say, what did I miss? If you are on the voters list but didn't vote, think about what you missed or what you could have done different. I'm sure there's a whole lot of people saying if I was on the voters list I'd have voted against ISAT. Well, that's the point I'm making. If you don't participate in the voting process, you really don't have a
So viewers and subscribers, I always want to like up the video and put your thought in the comment section. You see it? Alright, Mr. Isaac Buchanan. You see it? Anyway, the edges part, you see it? Me no know. You're not for send home kids. This is my opinion. I don't feel like the teachers or the principals should have sent home kids for edges and no pants and how you really dress. Well, you're not too ragged, but if you're clean and all of that, your pants in. I don't feel like, or your hair, you have rasta, you know, I don't feel like them fi push you out of the school. You see, kind of America kind of different, you know. Yeah, them kind of accept you as you are because it's the learning process more important, you see it. So it's a thing where them can look over back again, you see me, and kids that are late for school and all of that have to stay out. Sometimes you have a lot to do, sometimes the transportation and all of that, you see it. So sometimes I know some kids idle still, but sometimes some have a reason to be late, you understand? So that would I want them to look over still, you see me. You put your thought in the comment section.
Plus the ball and power of the man tool.
Okay.
So you see the two boy now will get gunshot that they ride my friend. They are innocent man. So when him shot Alfonso, when Alfonso shot Margaman, him drive off. Then after 7, look at it to 7. So by 7 o'clock, him go crashing on the wall. They go beam all out of past places. So you understand?
Yeah.
So now for this, like we don't say, I just drive off, then go lick at the wall and dead. I must say, go to hospital, drive to the hospital.
Okay.
So no man now shot no man for no egg. So
I want that. I can't demand
the man more about car and gun. Yeah, cause but the police them really never want to kill Alfonso aka Brown man. They do just carry me in. So when the man talk about town police better than dog and man police, not like that. You know some a man was famous and the police them still give respect cause it's not a man who shoot people or kill people. It's just a man who come share some bread and do him things. And the police themselves that probably one of them knows that but most of the police have about a good youth.
Okay.
Yes. So that's why they never really want to kill him. But when the soldier them come, remember you know, over 2,400 rounds, them pick up out of the house, whatever fire yet. That means a sales agreement that. Plus the gun, the rifle where my boss is a militarized rifle, so you know, so that dealer. That's why you see now, the youth them, in a man, if you look up to him now, because them say, alright, at least you know they like a punk. You understand?
Yeah, no star.
Yeah man, so him name is, I'm going to check it out because I know I'm not going to go to film it and then the people in the year, you know, the maroon in parade, so I'm jumping in the year now, come back at Christmas.
Which is right, that's true.
Yeah man, but him say name Alfonso Wilson, you know you never have a crabber, so when you do your investigation about this prompt.
That's true, man. That's how we understand. We always make sure we get some solid info.
Yes.
And that's why I'm on the ground and sometimes you finally decide them to go on. Let's say the spirit get collected already. You're collecting the spirit already.
Yeah, man, you know when I see my job for plot a crystal ball and normal thing, man, go collect, man. Right now, the crystal ball shine like brown man spirit, bright it up. I feel good right now because I'm good spirit like crystal ball.
We said that one good spirit put now a ring. Bad spirit.
Yeah, man, the bro, man, a real bad man, man, that spirit they have in a ring, man, they can't know the spirit of people ring. Also when the rich people come from the ring. Yeah, man, that's why I see my ring, because I said that ring fell 40,000 US, 20,000 US, and the man never get ball. And people said my client come say, because no years didn't know me say ring crap, you may ball come back and say what fucking body yet.
But I mean, no still, a long time you say, you're a spiritual man still.
But you never hear nobody come back.
It is.
But you never hear nobody come back and say about the money yet.
Well, I never say not like that for social media yet.
So viewers and subscribers, you know LL is got to work already. You know he love the lamplight already. You know that. So viewers and subscribers, in go a brown man place where them they have the shooting and we do a crystal ball and say same catchy spirit and all of that. You see it? Anyway, you just that out to rapper, crapper and next vlogger, you see me? Anyway, viewers and subscribers, the youth are sending a message to On The Spot News Media. You see it? So hear him have to say.
On The Spot News Media, I didn't know that I couldn't voice my opinion freely anymore. I never know that. Because as soon as you voice my opinion, you take it up and you add on your slogan on it. Don't take with Connor boy and Biggie that boy and criminal element. What you know about my father? You know find a way? You run the file? They put the people about 3 hours now. What, you hear anything back yet for me? You don't know about my father, man. Take me thing down, I think that. How I do, man, that's what I'm drawing youth now. No matter where you good youth to draw down in life now. That's what I'm going, but I talk about hear the music, we can hear the music and all that now, but even hear the music today or tomorrow, because I like, I don't promise nobody. Make sure you know hear it, you know. Just make sure you know hear it, because it not come to you. My music not sing for you. Do what you do, man. So you see brick wall down, for me they said we are doing. Of course we be like Jamaica, of course we have, but let nobody do. Do what you do.
No, my father, bumbo club. Right now, my earth you. You see a real killer go down like that, dog. A real G, my father. You see it? Look how man there, me have try group up for no see how we go take with some ballot box and make Labour lose the bumbo club election, bro, man. I have them the badness they sit down pan and never say, right. Because I know you see me video, bro, man, when me recruit my father. I'm love how you all have it. To them for a good minute, dog. You boy them afraid. The soldier and the police and the SWATs them afraid, bro, man. Your badness not normal. You see it? But anyway, R.I.P. Make your soul rest in peace, my father. You hear me? And last message. Big up Bob Marley and the whole life all in soldier. They make them know say Andrew win election. I would still there suffer and nothing and go on. You hear me? But bro, man, I could have way up bomb climate so. You see, 2 bills a kill man for dog. And go on with BS and so, bro, man. Right now, I'm afraid. Anyway. Big up yourself, bro, man. I look at you. Your boy Andrew, unless me know. Watch you, bro, man. I say your badness not normal, you know. I then there one part of hide, you know. Shit up all them bumbo clap pants. But big up yourself, Andrew, unless, man. Yeah, all our Prime Minister, my father. You see, enough love and respect, my father. And make sure you say Jamaican citizens then continue to keep up fuckery. Make the police then can kill off no dirty bumbo clap.